Welcome to Catbalogan City and Samar, and welcome to Anthro on Foot's walking tour. This is a self-paced walking tour that features key heritage sites and cultural highlights in the area. We hope you enjoy this tour as much as we enjoyed curating it. Introduction: Catbalogan City is situated in western Samar, one of the three provinces on Samar Island, which is the third largest island in the Philippines. Samar Island is part of the Eastern Visayas region, with Tacloban City on Leyte Island as its capital. Catbalogan City was originally a fishing village inhabited by the Waray people. The Waray people are descendants of Austronesian-speaking seafarers who settled in the Philippines at around 3000 to 2200 BP or before present. The Warays have established sophisticated cultural and socio-political systems, engaging in trade with Chinese, Borneans, and Malays. The province of Samar, of which Catbalogan City is a part of, possesses two distinct geographic regions: Iraya or upstream or mountainous, and Ilawod or downstream or coastal. Agriculture, particularly the cultivation of abaca or Manila hemp and copra, has historically driven its economy. Present-day Catbalogan City was established in 1596 by Jesuit missionaries, with the Franciscans eventually taking over. In 1616, Catbalogan became the capital of Samar Island, owing to its central geographic location. This positioning facilitated its development into a significant hub for politics, institutions, economics, culture, and history, serving as a pivotal gateway to Samar Island. During the Philippine Revolution in the late 19th century and the subsequent Philippine-American War, Samar experienced relative peace initially, but tensions arose with the arrival of American forces. General Vicente Lucban led the resistance against the Americans, who were then leveraging Samar's hemp trade for revenue. After American control was established in 1901, Samar faced infrastructural challenges exacerbated by wartime destruction. Despite efforts to rebuild, Samar's interior remained politically isolated, maintaining its traditional socio-religious structure and resisting American governance. The Pulahan movement emerged as a response to perceived injustices, forming their own church under Pablo Bulan. Samar's rugged interior preserved a resilient traditional culture throughout colonization, integrating elements of Christianity with indigenous beliefs. This cultural continuity shaped local resistance movements and responses to external governance, reflecting a complex socio-political landscape influenced by historical adversities and aspirations for autonomy. One of the biggest festivals in Catbalogan City is the Manaragat Festival, a feast made in honor of Saint Bartholomew, the city's patron saint, and to highlight the rich marine resources and fishing traditions of the area. The festival is celebrated in the latter part of August, culminating on the feast day of Saint Bartholomew on August 24th. The festivities include colorful street dancing, cultural presentations, and various competitions related to fishing and marine activities.